guys want to stay down there in the cave. But no, we're going and help the chef now. People, good morning, and we're back on another adventure. So this time we're going to a river which is actually not far from Kingston. Yeah, another nice trip. Yeah, let's say maybe half an hour drive. And we're here and we're gonna cook. Right, our chef with us was gonna show us a nice idol stew. Nice. I'm loving this. I love it. If I have to go to my destination, through rocks. Yes, my vibe. My vibe. My. Are you ready? Yeah? Alright, here people. Chef said it was worth the walk. So let's see. Let's see. It's so funny. Chef said it was about to take Lily by her neck, thinking, oh, wow, this is cool water. He's like, where the hell are we going with all these cooking utensils? I love this. Oh my god, people, look at it. So nice. It is so nice. No, it's mystical. I love the rocks. I love it around here. It is so beautiful. Tell me. I keep surprising you, right? Yeah. Kingston areas, well, Kingston, no, we're not really in Kingston, but when I say Kingston, I just mean not more than half an hour drive. I mean, it's near, not far. Ooh, you're fine, Akim. Coconut.
Yeah.
Fresh. That is it.
Yeah, fresh greens. You know, we're not gonna know I left the green.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Look at these people.
Greens like with green country, Jamaica. Evergreen. Yeah. And we're not gonna know we're gonna cook without the coconut. You know. The best spice in the world without no doubt. Completely no competition. You know.
No coconut powder.
No coconut powder. Yeah. We don't have no powder. Not even body powder. Yeah, there are river, you don't need it. Keep wet. Yeah. So we got the Isle from the farm. You know? Yeah. First moon farm. You know? Farm getaway. Fire over here we have breadfruit roasting. You know?
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit roasting. And
fire blaze.
We have red peas, what we're gonna use to make red peas stew with pumpkin. Yeah. Creative skills, yeah. Living in nature. Relying on nature. Using we intelligent to give ourselves a good experience. Yeah.
This is it.
So we got the red peas for the stew, and we got the white bean. You know, we got the white bean for the stew as well. ton cornmeal are the thing for the day.
What?
Yeah, we are bring back some old Jamaican long time recipe because them a go like a dog food, them want get the best thing for the dog and then feed up on beer rice like we are Chinese and we skin black and we are African. A ton cornmeal we are deal with. You know,
I know about turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal nice.
I mean,
Yes,
the
people.
dog love it.
Yeah.
That make him strong. And it clean out your system, you know, cornmeal flush your system and it good for you. Keep your skin clean.
Yeah.
You know, like you see Jessica skin clean, our skin clean. You know, we feed pan for cornmeal and ital food. And we got the ackee. And we now put no saltfish in it. You know, a ital ackee in a coconut juice.
The people, ackee. Jamaican national dish is made out of ackee.
Yeah, we allow the saltfish today. We not deal
No
with
saltfish.
Yeah, with the river. Every fish we are dealing with are the fish in the river with us.
So it's very versatile. You don't have to use the saltfish.
No.
You can do many
No, you
the ital way as well.
Your sweet pepper, you know. Yeah, and you like the purple onion, it's very healthy, and your tomato and your onion. You get your scallion and your thyme. You put in your pimento seed. Need no salt.
People, you see no
Straight
fresh
spices.
turmeric.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
fresh
how it
turmeric,
looks.
You know,
It's a fresh one.
very nice and strong. And it's one of the most, I think one of the best medicine in the world, at least out of the top 10 medicine.
Yeah.
Turmeric, especially use it for the name, flush your system, clean your colon, you know, keep your system clean so you're not on a big bang belly. Food not stuck up. Your body not store up with no need, because we don't need to.
Here, people.
That's how I look. I keep our body clean and flush, you know.
How you call it?
We call it callaloo, but we not collar nothing. It's no good. We not grab nobody collar, you know. So we call it ilaloo,
Ilaloo.
like ital.
I will love this. Ilaloo.
Yeah. And live life. And then the coconut juice a minute or two with that beans and we're good for the day. And the peas in it, you know. Yeah, and then you have ginger based on the shape of ginger, you know, it's good for like the stomach, the diet. Everyone will come and everyone else will come. It doesn't matter how much you get, we appreciate anything like offer. It's an honor. And it's going to eat as beautiful as it looks. Vegetable? If you feel tired, it's nice. Longer days, you know, so instead of the red rice or the rice and peas every day, because what's interesting is most Jamaican work, say 80-85% of Jamaican from Monday to Friday to Saturday, it's rice for lunch, either rice and peas and chicken for lunch or rice and peas and the curry goat, and, which is nice, it's beautiful, but you know, Sunday you go home and then you go make the same thing. Maybe you're doing it for yourself now, so you have a little pride in it. It's cool as well, you know, but you know, Jamaican and an area where we can plant vegetables 12 months a year, you know, and a lot of food 12 months a year. We have beautiful cornmeal, you know, them kind of scam way back in our time and tell her it's dog food, so everybody now use this beautiful thing as the dog food. I guess the dog must appreciate it, why not? If he's getting the best food, why not, you know? So it's good, it keep your system flush, cornmeal clean, you flush you know, make you have less coal in your system, less gas, because it's like a food that good to remove gas, like you know, rice pack up you with gas and so forth. Yeah, and it's delicious. It cleans your skin very well, keep your ear very well. If you do research, you might never find some of what I'm saying, but I know it's true because I feel it. I don't care what they put on any form of media. You know? Yes. So Sunday day we're changing the menu on the river. We're not doing any rice, we're doing turned cornmeal. And no dog is here. We're sorry we never have a dog though. The dog would love it.
We love it. And he wouldn't get none.
You would eat it up, Jen. You would eat it up.
None because we are eating.
Yeah. Before we get so Americanized, I respect America. But Jamaica, that's how we get Africanized. You know, yeah, or Afrocentric way, you know, before we get so Americanized in real life, you know. Yeah, especially Westernized. We used to use food like these. In Jamaica, it was a favorite dish, turned cornmeal, you know. Yeah, because we could grow our cornmeal a lot and grind it down, you know. We don't have to import like we import so much food from all over the world and rice and all of that. So we used to strong. Yeah, we used to strong and have better system and cleaner, you know, but it's all about just rice and chicken back. Yeah. Let it cook, turn it, you know, that's what they call it, turn cornmeal, you know. Yeah, when we start to rust, they call us like, you turn rasta, we say, no, we turn cornmeal. And we turn it nice. We don't turn rasta, we turn cornmeal. You know? Yeah, but it's merengue. Yeah, it's one of the most needed herbs, full of all the vitamins the body needs. It's nice in tea. I steam it in rice, in stew, you know. It's nice for eat. Tea as well, for herbs, you know, it bear a seed padding that can multiple tastes of different type of tastes, a bitter, a sweet, a little sour. Yeah, the seed of it nice. But today we're going to put it in our ackee, give it a bitter green.
Yeah.
Take care of me. So we have to appreciate life, appreciate nature and a beautiful fall, you know. God have created so much nice for us to enjoy it, and we bring this nice beautiful food so we can enjoy ourselves and, you know, enjoy nice food and beautiful vibes. But it's definitely ital, everything ital. There's no dead animal here. Everything living. Every food we prepare is living food, real vegetables and food. We don't kill anything to eat. Maybe some other time, but not today. Yeah, today it's our life food. It's our life food. And Jesus to come to enjoy your life, you know, we are doing it. We're not waiting to go to heaven, neither. We are at heaven right now. How do you know it's not heaven? How you do? We didn't go through hurt and a terrible place, and this is what we achieve right now. I believe that's what happened. The life that I was living before this time was the struggle, and this is our achievement. We are at heaven. You need to make the most of it. You know?
I love this. Oh, look at this beautiful color, Lou.
Beautiful. You know? So we have food to share for the whole community if they come. Yeah. Community, get out of your room and come. Come. The food is there and it's ready and it's waiting. I know your mouth is full enough water. You want some of it? You need to come. Get out of your room. Get off the chair. Get out of the
Get off the phone.
And get in the woods. Find us. We can send you our location. We have Google Map here. Yeah. Beautiful.
I wish you could be here and I could share this with you from the bottom of my heart. Look at this goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Right. I'm gonna taste the chef hand now. It's pleasing to the eye, that's for sure. pleasing to the eye. Yeah. Here, having this delicious food prepared with love right here. Yeah, by this beautiful river. And I cannot wait to dig into this. All right, callaloo. Love callaloo. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, callaloo sell off. The chef doesn't hear no word of nobody and knows everybody feeding the face, and he's like, oh my God.
And they don't leave.
Love it, love it. Chef, big up yourself. Yeah, man, this is it. Yeah.
Body scene? Push my plate. Water belly. It is so nice. No, so. Catch us, yeah.
Let me get some of the callaloo.
Really rich.
Yeah, really rich.
And a view.
Time I swallow it. The food dance. Food dance.
You catch it? A new dance.
The food dance. We need to boss it. We need to boss that dance in every vlog.
In every vlog. You see who make me a dance? It's nice. It's nice.
Nice like rice.
Yeah, man. You nice, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
every time.
Yes.
Blessings.
Nice,
Every
man.
time.
Chef.
Yeah.
Just since recently we're getting a little shower, but always.
Our world. In the mountainside. Yeah. And even just going the river there so with food like what you're doing now, it change that minute that they eating. It's like a two different plate.
Yeah?
A food she eating, you know, because she changed the whole vibe by just going there. You know, so that experience eating the food in the water there, that was different, totally different stuff. The people wouldn't try to get something like that.
Bobby is showing us a little bit of his breathing and meditation routine inspired by Tai Chi. He offers these sessions as well as organic farm tour and cooking class. I will leave his contact in the description of this video.
Breathe that healthy breath. I know it's all of you that I get. One bedroom flat, I lock the door and put that photo of her on the floor. Been here for hours, it's getting dark, and we did everything and nothing at all. And I should leave, 'cause this is bad.
Right? Yeah. Tai Chi do that. See guys, if you want to be skillful like this, you have to do Tai Chi. Yeah, give you balance and control of your breath.
You don't know when you might slip.
Respiration system. Yeah. Strengthen your legs. Hui, 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 hui. Greetings, greetings. Hi. What's up there? Water waiting on you. So you can jump in
Cool and nice.
and cool off.
By the time I reach and go stand some park, nice. Yo, what I would have to come to him? I lay down there, man, I lay down now.
Oh boy.
Yo, man, it's great.
Oh man. Some people can manage to walk. That's why I like to be fit. I like to exercise because I know if people take me anywhere, I know so I can manage. Greetings. And I talk so much. People them left me. Now I'll keep up. I'll keep up with them. And join them back. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. People. This was another amazing vlog. Thank you, Bobby. And guys, remember you can find Bobby. The link on the number is in the description, so you can also book that experience.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay with us.
No joke.
Yeah.
No joke. Belly full life,
Yeah.
food fully active.
Fully.
Yeah. Farm
guys.
getaway overlooking a vibrant yard. That's the title, that's the name. You know, you can stay, you can visit, we can go, we can stay, we can have a beautiful time anywhere.
Alright guys, and you can also follow Lily. She has her YouTube channel up and running, so head over there, subscribe, like and share, and just stay tuned for next adventure. Bye.
Appreciate you watching.